How was it shooting the train sequences?
We weren't shooting in a moving train. It was created by a genius production designers, but it felt like a real train because it would move like that. Like
Oh.
even though it wasn't running, it could still move. Like all of that shaking, वगैरह.
Tagged as India's most violent film.
It is true. All of it is true, man. It is gory. It is violent. It is a bloodbath.
आपकी पहली film was again with Vijay sir.
Yeah.
Vikrant Messi was there.
Yeah.
What memories do you have of this film?
I just remembered Vikrant sir and we were done with our sequence and we were, I think, heading back to the vans. So all of a sudden there were just these swarms of people that came in and हम दोनों इतने confused थे कि क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे. And then there is a car that comes in and out comes Vijay sir. And we were like, oh, now it makes sense. And people were just chanting his name.
What are the compliments from the industry?
I met Vicky sir, and I've always been in awe of him. But he told me that he loved the work that he saw on like in Kill and on screen, and I felt like I was flying at that time. I was so happy. Hi, I'm Tanya Maniktala, and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.
So सबसे पहले hi Tanya, welcome to Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you so much for having me.
How are you doing?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm doing great. Tell us how is the response?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यार. Yes, people have been really loving the movie. They've been loving the action. They've been loving the performances. So it feels very, very good that people have such good things to say about something that you've put a lot of work in and a lot of love in. So it just feels finally very fulfilling.
Yeah.
Ki all of that love is coming back to it. So I'm happy that good reviews are being said, good things are being said about the movie.
It's also been like tagged as India's most violent film.
Yeah.
So like, what do you have to say about this tag?
It is true. All of it is true, man. It is gory. It is violent. It is a bloodbath, but it's so entertaining, and it will have you rooting for the characters. So it's all justified. At least I have felt that because I did not watch the movie in any of the screenings or anything. I only watched it recently at the premiere. And I did not feel like it was something I had worked on. It felt like I was witnessing all of it for the first time. Even though I had read the script, even though we've seen these sequences, I was rooting for them. So I hope the audiences can relate to that, and I feel like they feel the same way.
Is action a genre that you enjoy?
I love watching action.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And what Nikhil sir has done with Kill, he's taken it to another level now. He's taken it a notch above. So, yeah.
So how were you approached for this film?
I was actually shooting for something else at the time, and I got a call from Kritharth from Casting Bay, and he said that he had a project in mind for me and he wanted me to audition for it. So I was like, okay, okay, cool, let's do it. So I couldn't go into audition in person, so I auditioned, like I did a self-test and I sent it to him. And then he said, ki, yeah, okay, the director has liked you, so now keep your dates blocked, we'll see. I was like, okay, theek hai. Then I did not hear back from him or anybody else for a very long time. So I was like, okay, maybe it didn't work out. But then one of my other directors, like a director I'd worked with previously, Debal Oysa, he called me to tell me that Nikhil is my friend and he is directing something and he wants to talk to you and he wants you to get on board. So I was like, okay, theek hai. I would love to, hear the story out. And then I realized it was the same thing that I auditioned for. And then Nikhil sir told me that he had watched my work and he had me in mind for this character and he loved the audition. So would I be willing to join? And I read the script and I was like, so sir, when are we starting? When are we starting? So that is how it happened.
How was it shooting the train sequences? Can you take us through the shoots? Were you all actually shooting in a moving train? क्या चल रहा था?
We weren't shooting in a moving train. It was created by a genius production designers. But it felt like a real train because it would move like that. Like even though it wasn't running, it could still move. Like all of that shaking, वगैरह, so that we at no point feel like we have forgotten where the setting is because all of that is so essential to the story ना कि अच्छा ठीक है अगर ट्रेन halt हो रही है जब अगर slow हो रही है तो कैसे आप react करते हो अगर ट्रेन तेज चल रही है तो आपकी body language कैसे change होती है. So all of these are such essential things when you think about it. And those were all presented to us in the form of a set where you had all the room in the world. I mean, not all the room in the world, but as much as, you know, they could, you know, be compatible with, because all of the parts of the train were movable. Like the train car doors would open up and they would go out, the washrooms would open up, everything was padded obviously so that the action never, you know, actually injured anybody. All of that was taken care of, and it was beautiful that they had really created something like that for us to work on. It was amazing.
So when you were shooting and you know all of y'all being in the same bogie, how was it off camera? What was the माहौल like?
बहुत मस्ती होती थी.
कितना ये जो खून आप देखते हैं, like I'm sure that there were these things put up.
Yeah.
So how long would it take for you all to just clean yourself out?
The reset part of it does take time, yeah. Especially with my sequences, because there is a lot of खून खराबा and everything that happens. तो उसके reset में काफ़ी time लगता था हमें, क्योंकि we'll have to start from a clean costume, clean base, clean everything and clean setup. तो उसमें थोड़ा सा time जाता था. But apart from that, everything was very quick. Everything was very, everybody was so efficient. Everybody knew कौन से point से start हो रहा है, कहाँ पे ख़त्म होना है, end में कैसा दिखना चाहिए. So everybody knew what they were doing. So yeah, otherwise it was very time efficient.
Tanya, there's been a great promotion, if I may say so, in your career graph. YouTube से, फिर
Yeah.
OTT, and then this is your second film, correct? So how are you taking this journey? How does it feel? Are you liking the pace, or do you want more work to constantly be there, or are you enjoying the pace?
I think I would be lying if I say कि I don't want more and that I'm content right now. I want more. I really, मतलब, there is that hunger to just keep doing and achieving more. So I'm happy with the way the work has been going right now, but the hunger is just growing, yeah. It just keeps growing with everything, every single project that you do. So अब देखो कैसे होता है. Let's
Are you someone who gets jittery if there's no work coming along?
I do, yeah.
So what's your go-to way to calm yourself down?
To surround myself with very, very good people. I usually go back to my family, and I have good friends who are constantly telling me that the quality of work is important and not the quantity. So you just have to keep that in mind. Like, what if you take up something that you're not fully into, heart is not into, and while you're doing that, something else comes up at the same time. So what wouldn't you rather, like, you know, take your time with saying yes to things and make sure that you give it your all. So that is a constant reminder that I have to, you know, give myself ki it's okay. Even if it's happening at a slower pace right now, you just have to keep at it. And this time off that you're getting, maybe take that to improve your craft. So work on yourself, and all of those things are, you know, things I keep telling myself, but the jitters definitely do happen.
हाँ, क्योंकि मतलब कहने की बात एक होती है,
Yeah,
then
करने की बात.
reality hits you, then it starts working differently.
Yeah.
आपकी पहली film was again with Vijay sir.
Yeah.
Vikrant Messi was there.
Yeah.
What memories do you have of this film?
I did not have anything at all with Vijay sir on screen, but we met off screen, and I remember the day I met him, it was a night shift and we were shooting outdoors. ठीक है, we were shooting in RA colony, I think so. और वहाँ पे अभी तब तक मैं और विक्रांत सर शूट कर रहे हैं, शांत है, सब कुछ चल रहा है, ठीक है. And Vikrant sir also used to do a lot of masti. He was very chill, very, very, you know, just open. कि अच्छा ठीक है, she is also a part of this movie. That was my first movie. I had absolutely no idea what was going on, but he was always so willing to, you know, just talk about things and make it a collaborative experience, which I really appreciated. But that day, I just remembered Vikrant sir and we were done with our sequence, and we were, I think, heading back to the vans. So all of a sudden, there were just these swarms of people that came in. And हम दोनों इतने confused थे कि क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे. And then there is a car that comes in, and out comes Vijay sir. And we were like, oh, now it makes sense. And people were just chanting his name. He got off the car, smiled and waved at everybody. And he was so humble, he was so grounded. Then Santosh sir called me in to introduce me to him. And he was so genuine. Like, it did not feel like a star was there, you know. He was just so involved in the making and what he was doing at that time कि जो लोग वहाँ पे इतना हूटिंग कर रहे थे, चिल्ला रहे थे, उनसे मिलने के लिए इतने वो थे, क्या बोलते हैं, बेसब्र,
हाँ.
उनको शायद उन सब चीज़ों से फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा था, इसलिए कि मैं अपना काम करने आऊँ, मैं अपना काम करूँगा. And from that, you know, that very smiling, grounded person, then I see him turn into somebody else, and I was like, ये कैसे करते हैं यार, ये लोग कैसे करते हैं? तो
Too good, too good.
I felt like I'd watched a movie only in those few minutes, and I was like, okay, wow, I have lived an out of body experience. I am happy. अब जो मर्जी करवाते रहो मुझसे.
You know, Tanya, आपने कहा कि that how you have to keep telling yourself that this or something better, but you don't want to compromise. One very good example of this is A Suitable Boy. We loved your character as Lata Mehra, right?
Yes.
Tell us all about it. How important is Lata in your career graph?
Lata is crucial. Lata is the base of all of it. Lata is the heart of all of it, and she'll always be. Um, she is a character that has been very, very, very close to me ever since I read the book, even before the project happened to me. But that project obviously changed things for me. It has brought me to where I am right now. So she'll always be a part of me, and I'm so thankful to Meera Di. There's so much love, so much gratitude for these people that I worked with, for this opportunity that I got. It again, yeah, it was something that I never expected. I was a copywriter, and I was on my way to for like completing my masters and everything, and this came out of nowhere. It wasn't anything like anything I could have imagined or dreamt of, and life has been thankfully very, very good that something so huge could have come to somebody who could have never even thought that they'd be in a position like that. So I don't know. When I talk about her, also I get very emotional because she has been the basis of who I am.
Yeah.
And I always found myself very close to the character, even with the book. And to just live that out, and for the people to see that okay, she is that character now. It is an experience that I cannot possibly put into words.
But you know, you are the perfect combination of what the character needed. It needed a fresh face, it needed confidence, it needed love and courage, and so many things that you layered very beautifully. But
Thank you.
अब ये हम बात कर रहे हैं after the show came out. On the sets, being surrounded by senior actors, theatre actors,
Yeah.
fantastic people like Rasika Duggal
Yeah.
herself. What was going on in your mind? कैसे दिल ऊपर नीचे हो रहा था?
मुझे तो तोहफा मिल गया था यार एक्चुअली, क्योंकि इतने सब लोग इतने एक्सपीरियंस एक्टर्स थे वहाँ पे ऑन सेट. सो उन्होंने मेरा काम इतना आसान कर दिया था कि दे वर सो प्रोफेशनल. दे मेड श्योर द एटमॉस्फेयर वाज राइट. दे मेड श्योर दैट द कैरेक्टर्स वर इन प्लेस. तो मुझे कभी कुछ करना ही नहीं पड़ता था. मैं तो बस आती थी और मैं कर देती थी कि हाँ मुझे बता दो कैसे करना है. एंड दे वर सो विलिंग टू टीच यू. All of them. Like I remember this one sequence with Rasika's character and mine, Lata and her sister Savita, कि उसमें Lata is finally talking about the first love of her life, which is Kabir's character, to her sister Savita, and there was so much realness. Like I did not even for a second feel like I was acting. I really felt like I was confiding in my sister.
Oh.
So having these experienced people on set, yes, बहुत धड़कन ऊपर नीचे होती थी, बहुत नर्वसनेस होती थी, but they never even for a second made me feel like you know I am new to this work or I don't know what is going on. They just made sure that the scene comes out the best way in the best way possible. So they came in prepped and they made sure that I was comfortable with everything that I did.
पहली फिल्म, पहला जॉब, या फिर जो भी चीज़ आप पहली बार करते हैं, दैट्स डेफिनेटली लाइक यू नो दीज डाउट्स दैट कीप पॉपिंग अप इन योर हेड. एंड शायद आसपास के लोग हमें ऑकवर्ड फील ना भी कराएं, हम खुद हो जाते हैं. सो नाउ व्हेन यू आर लाइक 2 films old, you've done a couple of web series, shows वगैरह, when you walk into a parties which is star-studded, what is your mindset like? Do you feel like you're welcomed, or you still feel like, you know, oh my god, what if people are judging me? What's going on through your mind?
I have always been a person who's been very, very introverted. So for me, just coming out of my, like stepping out of my comfort zone is a challenge in itself. But that being said, every time I go to these parties or anything at all, they're the most welcoming people, because I think at some point they've also been in these shoes where they've been new, they've been an outsider to these parties, so they make sure that the other person never feels that way. So मैं खुद ही, yeah, like you said, खुद को ही self doubts होते हैं, खुद को ही आपको validation देनी पड़ती है, but nobody in these settings would make you feel like you're not welcome. They make sure that they compliment you on your work. They are so gracious about, you know, complimenting other people and making sure that they feel at home. Because it's not a nice feeling when you know that you've come to these parties, you're going to somebody's hosting you and you feel like you're not welcome, right? So I've never experienced that. I've, on the other hand, just felt like, okay, there's so much love in this industry because they really support each other and they show up for each other. So that is how I've felt in all of these settings.
What are the compliments from the industry members you're getting for Kill?
They have such nice things to say, like how I don't know how to say it, because when you say it yourself, it feels like yes.
मतलब कोई which actor recently just told you that you know they
I met Vicky sir, and I've always been in awe of him. But he told me that he loved the work that he saw on in Kill and on screen, and he told me that I had a very endearing presence, and that is what the movie needed. Like the emotional heart of it comes from your character. He told me, and I felt like I was flying at that time. I was so happy.
Did you also hear about the John Wick producers
Yes,
wanting to make an English remake?
They're making an English remake of it. So yeah, that is happening, which is amazing.
Do you think like they can cast you again?
I mean, I'm open to it if they're willing to.
Of course, we saw your performance in A Suitable Boy. Why not?
Absolutely, I am game.
So Tanya, now what is next in line? What are the other projects that are coming along?
Right now, we have finished shooting for a few things, but a lot of things haven't been announced yet. So as and when they do, we'll definitely talk again then.
ठीक है, तो we'll wait for that. I love it how actors can keep so much in their stomach.
We have to na.
It's amazing, yeah. What took like किस बात को सबसे ज़्यादा आपने अपने पेट में दबा के रखा था?
अब अगर वो बता दूंगी तो कैसे होगा? Good attempt.
नहीं, मतलब that already got released. Like, did you tell people Suitable Boy?
Suitable के time पे when I got shortlisted, I remember we had gone for workshops, and I was in Mumbai actually at the time when the announcement happened. So पर उससे पहले किसी को भी नहीं पता था. So yeah. Hi, I'm Tanya Maniktala, and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.